Hello! You are either interested in trying a new brightener, or better yet, you just received your Lustro Electro brightener in the mail. If so, you will be asking, what's next? How do I get started? How is it prepared? And how do I use it? The first thing that you'll notice is that it's a powder and not a liquid. This is what sets Lustro Electro apart from other brighteners and allows us to ship it to you anywhere in the world at an affordable price. Okay, now let's get prepping. Start by heating up a little over 50 ml distilled water in the microwave for 30 to 40 seconds. You want the water to be between 40 to 60 degrees centigrade or 100 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The hot water will ensure that the powder dissolves fully and easily. So right here we have about 60 degrees centigrade, so it's about close to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a little bit over 60, which is totally fine. Now with the syringe, measure out 50 ml of the hot distilled water. I just find it easier to measure it accurately this way. So I go a little bit over 50, and I bring it down to 50. Then I open my bottle and add the water to the bottle. Okay, after the water is added, replace the cap, shake vigorously. You're gonna shake for quite a while, maybe a minute, a little bit over a minute. And then you want to make sure that all the powder is completely dissolved. You get the point. It's almost dissolved right now. I'll shake a little bit later. Now, if you order a refill, you would just take the refill, open it up, and add it to your empty Lustro bottle, and then proceed from there. After this, I add the date and I draw a line at the water level so that I can monitor my usage accurately. You'll notice that I added 50 ml water and I did not just fill up the bottle. If you accidentally add too much water, don't worry, it'll still work, but it won't be as concentrated, so you'll need to add more to your bath to start with. Your Lustro Electro is now mixed up and ready to go, so let's get that good stuff into your tank. First, you will add 5 drops of Lustro Electro to each liter of solution. Mix well and wait 20 to 30 minutes to make sure that it is fully integrated into your bath. After this, try it out on a copper test square with the current adjusted to 0.1 amp per square inch. More on this in a minute. If your solution is well balanced, then your test square should be smooth and bright and you're ready to go. Depending on your E-Form solution's chemistry, you may need to adjust the current or add more brightener. Do this slowly until you get your desired results. Remember that too much brightener can actually make things dull again, so try the less is more approach. One thing that I have noticed is that an oversaturated copper solution requires more brightener and a much higher current, so better to correct this than to add more brightener. Now back to the test squares. A test square is exactly what it sounds like. It's a square of an established size that makes testing standardized and easy. I prefer to use 1 square inch of thin copper sheet or 2 square inches of copper foil tape folded in half so that they equal 2 square inches of surface area hung into the bath with a thin hand wire. With these test squares, you can now test your brightener enriched bath with the current set to 0.2 amps for about 30 minutes. Adjust the brightener and current levels until you get the desired results. Lastly, if you are currently using another brightener, Lustro Electro brightener may not be compatible with it. In another video, I'll show you how to clean out the old brightener and give your tank a fresh new start. Thanks for watching, have fun, enjoy, and keep on plating and creating. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.